Hi everyone, this is Cindy, the Crane of the Heart, and today I want to share my La La Land monthly subscription and some of the projects that I was able to make with this. This is a really cute kit. It's a Paris themed kit, so let me go into what I got in it. So you get a not large, but a larger sized Marcy, along with some sentiments, some poodles, and then a bunch of sentiments that go with the poodles. And then you get 3 dies. You get this Paris one, you get this Harlequin plate, and then you get this rose bouquet. So they're red rubber, and you can cut them apart if you want, or leave them as they are. I found that these sentiments were hard to really use without cutting them out. So I probably will cut some of this side down. This I might just leave regular. I'll have to see. But if you want to use the sentiments, it might be better off cutting them down. So anyway, you get that. Plus you get your 3 dies. So here's the Harlequin plate die, the rose bouquet, and then the Paris. Now, the Paris, the words, it's not too bad, but they do cut out separately. So it's nice because you can use just the Eiffel Tower, which is used as the A here. You also can use the light post separately if you want for that. And then for my projects, I use the Doodlebug French Kiss, and I also use this die as well. So here are my projects. One is a very simple card using the negative piece that came out of this one that I've used, and I'll show you the card that I made that uses the actual inside piece. A poodle, and then I use some flowers just to kind of liven it up. This one's really simple. This was just kind of used with the leftover pieces. It's a good day to have a good day is what that one says. And then this one uses the Marcy. I colored her in pink and gray. And I use the rose bouquet here as well as the Harlequin plate there. And it says Ooh La La. And then this one, I meant to put a little bit of detailing on here because a little bit of detail on here because I colored the purse in black because I wanted to have it kind of go together and as a Paris style theme. So here's this card, and I used my large Marcy here, colored it in with Copics, and then I've got my poodle, and then the Eiffel Tower piece, that's the A in the Paris. And then this one says Bonjour, and you can see this is where I used this to cut the circle out and put the paper behind it. This one's my favorite because I just love the color palette. These two just are really fun. And so that's what she looks like in red and blue and black. And so those are my projects, and that is my monthly kit. I really do like this kit a lot. I think it's really, really cute, and I think you do get quite a bit of a bang for your buck. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, the Crane with the Heart.